Stop ruining your iron kadhai. Do you know your iron kadhai can ruin your food or either improve your health and they get roast after cooking once, and how to clean or with plain water or you have to season it. So today in this video I am going to show you how to pre-season an iron kadhai step by step, difference between the cast iron and the pure iron kadhai or tawa, real health benefit of cooking in iron and a mistake 90% make while cooking on pre-season iron kadhai, and how to maintain the iron kadhai when you bought in your kitchen. You can see this. This is the waste that came from the newly bought iron kadhai. After pre-seasoning iron kadhai, it will be going to be super soft and rust free. Yes, rust free, and you will be learning a lot of things. So watch till last. And recently we bought new iron kadhai and welcome it to our kitchen. And before using it for the first time, we are going to pre-season it, and I am going to show you how to pre-season iron kadhai so that it will get rust free forever, and how to make iron kadhai rust free if you are rusted. And I learned it from my grandmother, and this is a cast iron kadhai, and of course it is heavier than aluminum or a steel kadhai. It is quite sturdy and stable in nature than other kadhais and retain a lot of heat while cooking. This video is full of information on iron kadhai or the cast iron, so stay tuned with me till last. Iron kadhai are the cookware made from the natural iron without any chemical coating. And the iron kadhai are basically of two types, the cast iron kadhai and the pure iron kadhai. So talking about this cast iron kadhai, this is thick and heavy which hold the heat for the longer time and best for cooking slow cooking like curries, frying, and it is made of alloy and just given a shape like it. Whereas the pure iron kadhai or wrought kadhai are slightly lighter, hit fast, commonly used for daily cooking in Indian kitchens, but it catches the rust better than the cast iron kadhai. In a nutshell, the cast iron kadhai gets lesser rust and the pure iron kadhai get more rust. So we are going to pre-season this cast iron kadhai, and we light up the stove and heat it for 10 minutes in a high flame. After heating it for 10 minutes, we are going to use this wooden spatula, and then we are pouring a mustard oil up to 2 to 3 spoon, and we are going to spread like this, and then adding 1 tablespoon of a usable normal using salt. It is quite hot, and we are going to spread this salt and oil with the use of this wooden spatula over all sides of the kadai. And you can use this similar method to precision your iron tawa or iron pan. Any type of iron, either it is a cast iron kadai tawa or pure iron kadai or tawa. Just start rubbing like this by the sides of the kadai with the mixture of salt and oil on the all sides, and please don't touch the kadai with your hand. It is too hot, so use your kitchen towel to carry or touch the iron kadai or pan while pre-seasoning. What type of iron kadai needs pre-seasoning before the first use? Without seasoning, food sticks and it smells like iron or a metallic and rust quickly after use. So it is necessary to pre-season the iron kadai before use. After rubbing, let it for cool down for 5 minutes, and till then I am going to tell why the pre-seasoning is important. And the pre-seasoning has three powerful things, and they are: the pre-seasoning creates a natural non-stick layer and make the kadai or pan non-sticky naturally, and prevent the rust and corrosion in the iron kadai, as well as makes the food taste better over the time, and it reduces the metallic color in the food. After rubbing with salt and oil, we are going to scratch all the salt and oil from the kadai, and we are going to take out in a bowl, and I will show you the dust and the color as well as the rust came out from the. Before draining the oil, we are going to rub it with a scrub or this paper so that all the rust easily comes out and clearly, and all over the sides we rust, and the rust looks like this, and the color you can see how color came out from this, and you can see this color in the oil that came out from the pan, and they are the dust impurity color, whatever you can say. So thinking of seasoning your iron kadai is a building protection and making a flavor memory inside that kadai. Our mom and grandmom tawa or iron kadai didn't become the perfect anymore just one day. It was seasoned again and again whenever it get roast and it needed, so that the mom and grandmother iron kadai didn't have a metallic taste or a roast anytime we see that. That's why pre-seasoning is very important and crucial part while using the iron kadai or iron pan. Otherwise you will be eating this much rust and dust while cooking in a iron kadai. The very first step of a pre-seasoning iron kadai is rubbing and scrubbing the both side of the iron kadai with the oil and the salt. After applying the salt and oil on the front side, we have to apply on the lower side or the back side as well. After rubbing and scrubbing process with the oil and the salt, we will add some washing liquid gel, or you can add soap also to remove all the oil and the dirt from the kadai, and you can use any scrub, either the soft foam one or the metallic one or the fiber one, and wash it properly on the all side as well as the handle. Remove all the dirt and oil by washing it. This is the first step of a pre-seasoning of iron kadai, and there is another step. So stay tuned with me and listen carefully. Otherwise, you will get the incomplete information, and you have to wash on the another side of the kadai too properly. Before moving to the next step of a pre-seasoning iron kadai, I am going to explain you the health benefit of the iron kadai and why the using of iron kadai is making a comeback. It is because it improves the iron intake in the body. Cooking in the iron kadai releases iron in a small amount into our food, which help to recover anemia, low hemoglobin, and the fatigue, especially in the women, children, and elderly. As well as the iron kadai is a chemical free, as there is no Teflon coating, no synthetic coating, or no toxins. Now we will wash the iron kadai thoroughly for the first time, and washing it properly on the both sides. Color of the water, it's so dirty. So wash it properly, and we will move forward to the second step of a pre-seasoning. Cast iron kadai or the iron kadai act as the non-sticky pan itself, and the iron kadai provide the better taste and the retain the constant heat over the time of the cooking. And iron kadai are the best as it cooks the food better, taste richer, and the develop the deep flavor which tantalize our taste bud and the heart. Which kadai is the best, the cast iron kadai or the pure iron kadai? I am going to tell you the cast iron kadai is the best. Why? The reason is the cast iron kadai is a very heavy and sturdy, as well as it is good for the slow cooking and retains the good amount of a heat, constant heat over the time of the cooking, whereas the pure iron kadai is the medium heavy and the heat retention is the moderate, and it can cause the fire. After washing with the soap, wipe the kadai from the both side with the cotton cloth. Whereas the pure iron kadai, it is used for the daily cooking, otherwise it will get the rust. But the both are excellent if used after pre-seasoning like this. And after pre-seasoning, look the how crystal clear our kadai and the soft and good looking kadai in the first stage. And now we are going to do the second stage of a pre-seasoning, and we are going to rub the onion in the kadai. And before rubbing the onion, we are going to add a half a spoon or a few drop of oil, some mustard oil or the groundnut oil in the kadai, and we will going to chop the onion in the kadai and add the onion. And not only adding the onion, we are going to cook the onion till the brown, and till browning the onion we are going to rub all the onion and oil on the all sides of the kadai, as well as after cooling the kadai we are going to apply the same onion on the back side of the kadai as well, as to make it non-sticky. Hey guys, just listen the common mistake to avoid while using the iron kadai or the cast iron kadai. These mistakes are done by most of the people, and the mistakes are washing the iron kadai with the soap daily. You don't have to wash the iron kadai daily. Just use it and wash it with the water. Wipe it with the cotton cloth. Another common mistake that people do while using the iron kadai or the iron pan is they soak the iron kadai or pan in the water. You don't have to soak the iron kadai or the pan for the prolonged time. It invites the roasting in the iron pans. So avoid soaking in the water. And another mistake is avoid cooking the acidic food initially in the iron kadai or the iron pan. Another mistake is not drying after washing. So dry after washing each time after the use. And another mistake to avoid is storing without coating. So before storing your iron kadai or the pan, please coat it with the oil on the both sides. One mistake invites the rust and the food is sticking in the iron kadai. Here I am going to add the final tips for the lifelong pre-seasoning of the iron kadai. Number one is dry on a flame after washing, and the number two is apply light oil or any oil after the use. Number 3 is always use wooden spatula for the iron kadai, and the number 4 is the last one is use the cookware on the regular basis. We applied the oil and the onion on the both sides, and we are going to wipe it with the cotton cloth, and we will use after this. And this is, you can see that after pre-seasoning how clean and tidy our kadai looks. So pre-seasoning is very important, and if you like the process of pre-seasoning and this video found it useful, then please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and also share the video whoever in your family or the friend needed it. And it is a very simple process, you can complete it within the 15 to 20 minutes, and it is necessary, as you can see this how much dot it came from the new or the roasted iron kadai. An investment made in iron kadai is an investment made in your health. So, iron kadai is not just a cookware, it is the future process to our saving our health and building our healthy body. So, use the iron cookware in your daily use and the iron kadai for cooking your vegetables, and pre-season it like this before using it. Thanks for watching.